Hi guys, so we'll be making pancakes today for my son, and all we'll be needing is just 4 spoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of flour. That's all we'll be needing, and I'm still going to eat out of this pancake. So after that, I'm going to be adding my baking powder, a bit of baking powder and a bit of baking soda powder too. Just give it a little stir, and I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of sugar, that's all, and 2 spoons of powdered milk. Then I'll give it another stir to combine it together. Yeah, it's a very unique batter and it is straightforward. So by the time I'm done, you'll see that it's actually a very quick and easy one. So the next thing to do right now is to add my egg, just 1 egg, and I'll be adding melted butter, or you can use a vegetable. If I don't get to melt my butter, I use vegetable oil sometimes. So put vanilla essence flavor and a cup of warm water. Please make sure the water is warm, because that's what will give you that consistency that you're looking for. So you give it a quick stir as fast as possible so it can quickly combine, and you have to keep stirring so it doesn't get molded, or just keep stirring. And during this process, you can see that the batter is still a bit thick. You can add just a bit of water to it, to achieve that consistency that you want. You really don't want your batter to be watery. Just as little as a spoon of water, it's enough. So just mix and mix and mix, and by the time you get to the consistency you want, you just have a pause. So right now, that's my melted butter in my pan, and my butter goes straight into my pan too, and yeah, giving it a flip by the time the other side is ready. At this time, my son is already pressuring me for his food, and everything just went fast forward from here. I really could not do a good picture. I just had to put his honey, he prefers honey, and that is